Good afternoon, this is Ron for Mulholland brand in Sherman Oaks, California. This is a project we finished a couple days ago, came out really pretty. We did everything here A to Z, including our masonry contract did the walls here, and we did the fencing and the gates. This property has now a fence panel here to close the lawn, as well as a pedestrian door here with an intercom. So a couple panels on the sides of the walkway and a nice 4-foot door in the center with an intercom system which we installed. On the right side we have a double swing gate. All of this is 100% aluminum, which is what we specialize in. 100% made in the US in our Canoga Park facility. 100% powder coated A to Z to prevent problems with maintenance. You will not see rust on these because they're aluminum, they are rust proof. You will not see any need to repaint or anything like this, just some periodical cleaning, and that's it for that. So almost a maintenance free product. Beautiful finishing and beautiful installation by our very professional installation crew. You can see all these nice clean lines, finishes. It is unrivaled in the market today, and nobody else can do what we do for our customers. So A to Z product came out beautiful, customer is happy, and so are we. So again, Ron for Mulholland brand in Sherman Oaks.